Hello guys, and today we'll be making meatball sour soup. First we will add in 2 bowls of cold water to the pot. After adding in your water, put your pot to high heat to let it boil. Now that the water has boiled, we are going to add in all of our ingredients. Now we will add in our kaffir lime leaves, galanga, lemongrass, and 2 cloves of garlic. We will also add in our lemon slices and cilantro with spring onion. Also add in chicken powder, fish sauce, sugar, and salt. Now add in all of your spices. Next, we will add in our meatballs. After finishing adding in your meatballs, you will put on the lid and let it boil. After it finished boiling, then we will add in our lemon juice from our lemon slices. We will add in our cilantro and our spring onion. After that, we will stir to mix in our cilantro and lemon juice. Now we can serve. Okay, I think that's enough. Overall, this was a really delicious meal and I really enjoyed it since it was very hot and it's very pleasant for the winter if it's super cold outside. Thank you for watching. Bye!